Everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Joe. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you. My people, my lovely people in the house. You see when I see this staying at home where they talk about where they see me everybody stay inside house because of Okoro, they see me will stay inside house, me will not go anywhere. But it can't be like say I can't look at me the other way. It can't be like say this thing it really work for some marriages It gets some marriages so be say they be do as in the marriage be do scatter. But this staying at home we can't really straighten some marriage e can't even make some men. They can't even come dey close to their children. You know, see some men before they be not the stairs. They'll close for work, they'll from there go another area. But this thing wey come happen now, you can't make some men come dey close to their children. I can't even see one video where one man they play with his children. And you're surprised say don't take for a long time. They never ever see this guy play with from their papa once. But this man can't they play. He can't they even know that 10-10 away with the play that time with this small. This man can't even back the last born for back. He can't they play 10-10 with the children. He can't they play. I said, like seriously? Yeah? Maybe it don't take a long time. You never ever stay with the children like this before. But because of this staying at home now, many may come dey close to their children. Many marriage wey be say e be don spoil. Many women e favour the way we are not allowed now. E favour many women wey they come dey happy. They say this thing wey happen so. E come make them really. The man say the thing say no be say maybe e good, but as in e come make some marriage come dey straight. And there's some men wey be say they be not dey close to their children. They can't dey close to their children. They can't dey close to their wife. You know, they are now they feel even gist with their wife, play with their wife because men. Now know what they talking about. Some of them have been on the stairs. I know one man that time if he close for work, he go from there go a girlfriend house. That time I never even married. That time safe. He go a girlfriend house. He go lie to his wife say they say maybe he can't work for. And now that day be off day, he go lie to his wife say they say maybe he can't work. Whereas no work now his girlfriend that's the one go stay But now with this I know say side chick now work go really kill them this time because they don't see married man carry this time now. But I know verse they have to stay with their wife, my dear people. They have to stay with their wife. All of them now, so many women now they happy now. They happy for this thing so because it can't really make them they stay house. Many men come the day close to their, especially that children. When I see this video, I laugh. I laugh because it don't say with many men don't play with their children like that. It don't say. It don't say. I say, what I say. Well, they say at that 10-10 where would they play that time now? Yeah. Like they do with the children so. Long time. I'm not sure the children don't see this kind of play. They even back the other one for back. Now see when I see the video, I laugh, I laugh. I say, So this staying at home really solve some problem for so many women. You see, they happy because they don't take. They never see this kind of play once. They happy. They will say, God, so many marriage will be don't break. This staying at home can't really like. It can't solve some. It can't solve so many marriage. People like say God, it get purpose where this thing come really because not be lie, my people. Many marriage be don't break. So many men on the stay house. They go they lie to their wife. They say maybe they can't work, whereas they not call them because they go side chick house. Now, all of them now can stay at home, stay with their wife. At least their wife now even see they communicate with their husband before. If you come back in the night, maybe the woman don tire, don't sleep. But now he dey with am for his house the way he wan go. He himself go see the fear make he no go carry okoro for outside, come give a wife. As that woman talk, okuore na. Now that woman call am okuore na. As in problem na it comes so. Then the woman give am, the other one give am Cordelia Starley. Don't be lie, I really dey happy because so many home wey be say they be don scatter. Thank God. E don dey okay. See this man, they play with the children. So many men now, and so they go dey do am. I can't see another video where one man say, you know, gree make pikin enter house. I say, like, seriously? Wetin your pikin can't do you rich like that? Say because a pikin comot for house. Because they say they don't comot for house, pikin come comot for house. Now the man say pikin no go enter house. They even tell the man say, I bet let your pikin go house. Now your pikin, he say lele. He say no go enter house because if they fear me no carry okwore now. He say they fear me not give am okwore now. He say lele. He say because he say lele. And they don't do test too. The man say no, they agree lele. I don't know whether that is here. He say no, they agree. He say no, they agree with me pikin enter house. He say they fear whether pikin don't carry okwore now. Cordelia Starley. He say no go gree make pikin enter house. Then they even they beg the man say, but your pikin don't go do test. He say la. He say no go gree. In the fear. They even tell the pikin say may use force. They follow and go inside car. The man say no, they agree la. If Papa say no want to take the risk, they fear. He say no want to take the risk, he say they fear. Your own pikin again. God, may God go help us. Your own pikin, the man say lie, not agree. He say lie. He say no agree be enter house. If they fear because he come up for us. He say because he come up for us, so he say not agree lie. The man say lie. They even tell me use force. They follow him, Papa. If Papa say lie, he say no, they agree.
What is your comment? This is your father. He's a retired officer.
Retired officer.
And he's not complaining that you should not follow him to his house. Who allow you? So what is your comment?
I laugh, The man say no, they agree.
Baba, after we have made a test, sign that you see that you are putting out to your son that is already having the COVID-19. Okay. I don't want his case to be like the case of the pregnant women that threw a state into confusion 2 weeks ago.
The man say lie. Then they even beg the man, say lie. Say pikin don't go enter house.
Okay. Some people will hear about this thing, they will not do anything. Yes. But this problem boomerang, and many people like Kano will continue to die. Mr. Babafemi, your father is rejecting you now. That you should not go with. He don't want you to follow him because he's panic. He said that you are coming from Lagos. So I don't know. I want you to tell me the reason why you forced yourself to come to Ekiti State. After your father have told you that you should return, what is the mission you have? I've already contacted the community. What I will do is, please go and enter your father's, go to your father's car and enter your daddy's car and go to your house.
The man say, make you go use force stay enter your papa car. He say, don't enter my car. The man you go enter car, drive the car, come out. He leave the pikin o. Oku ore na. Oku ore na. The man say lala pikin no go enter house. He say lala.
So you can come to your house now.
You know what is happening in Nigeria?
Well, I love this so. The man say lala o. He say pikin no go enter house. They put tell am say, but it's your son, sir.
It's still okay. If it's 40 now, direct from here to Adelaide Center. But this is 36.2.
You know I'm not a medical doctor. You understand?
Mama, let me beg you. It's your son. You can't leave me here. Please. He's our lawyer. He will follow you. Go and enter your daddy's car.
He not gree o. He not gree o. He say pikin no go enter lie. Oku na Oku Cordelia Stanley. Now like you know where you for come Cordelia Stanley.
He dropped your number. He tried. The man.
Because of Cordelia Stanley, this man say pikin no go enter house.
Next action now for you.
They beg the man, beg. He say lala.
Follow, buddy. Follow your daddy.
He just drive car come out.
Or they arrest you. Go enter the car.
As the one go enter car, papa you drive the car.
Hey, go to the car. Meet your daddy. He's your father. Enter the car.
Una will see her now. He just speed the car come out. He just speed the car come out. He say lala. I beg, this Oku na not be small tea o my people. Not be small tea o. Oku na, Oku, my people. I told you see the video. So say papa they will suspect the pikin. Pikin go dey suspect papa. Yeah, my people. Oku na. Cordelia Stanley. You know where you for come. You will go back to sender. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. Bye, everybody. Bye. If you like this video, give the video a thumbs up and always subscribe and share my video. So anything you think about this video, just leave your comments for the comment section. Bye.